We've all heard it, start a side hustle, but half the time it sounds fake, right? Today, I'm breaking down 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just real ideas that pay. First up, print on demand and digital products. You design once and it keeps earning for you. Try Canva and Etsy together. Think planners, mugs, digital journals, or study templates. Niche down, stay consistent, and it can turn into reliable monthly cash flow. Next, AI freelancing. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Notion AI are changing the game. You can write content, create logos, or even sell prompts for brands that need fast creativity. Businesses want resolve, not titles, and if you deliver, they'll pay. Third, short form video editing. Every creator on TikTok Reels or YouTube Shorts needs help editing. You can start with free CapCut templates and offer 24-hour delivery for quick gigs. Once you nail the rhythm, clients come back again and again. Number 4, reselling and flipping. Look around your house. That old gadget or jacket could be money waiting. Clean it, list it on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark, and watch the small profits add up. Flipping teaches you the art of spotting value where others don't. Finally, online tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or writing, people will pay to learn from you. You don't need a classroom, just a Wi-Fi connection and confidence. Teaching others sharpens your skills and builds steady side income. Start small, stay consistent. Treat your side hustle like a business. Which one would you try first? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more real-life money tips from Money Made Simple.